Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger logout. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger logout, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you'll search about Messenger app and you will enter here. Then this list of app and for you, we click on force stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that, we click clear cache, and in the end, you will find the solution about your problems on your messenger of logout, as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.